Thank you, CB's crew, for supporting our Circle Plus.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. You need some help, CB? So guess what came in? This beanbag. You need some help?
Yes.
Okay. All right, y'all. Hang on a second. Let me help him. I don't want him getting injured. CB. Good job. Yo, this thing is big. Okay, that's the external piece here. This is the, yeah, it's a denim color. I'm gonna have to pull it out. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow, CB. So I think it's gonna have to, let me unwrap this thing and let it inflate, I guess that's what it's called. And then I'll come back to you. I'm gonna leave it in my office area because it's pretty big. It's the size of a full-size bed. Yeah, how about it just dawned on me that I haven't eaten any foods today. Okay, y'all, so dinner is done. Here's the sweet potato fries. Here's the fish. And of course, I've got my Louisiana hot sauce. And I got my Whataburger spicy ketchup. And my vintage cola lollipop. So, the hot sauce on the, I really put that on the side. I'm gonna put that on the actual fish, and your girl's gonna get her grub on. Here comes my son, so I know he doesn't like to be on here. I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, happy Saturday. I am out and about. I have taken my fur babies to get groomed. As a matter of fact, this is the last grooming they're gonna get before it gets cooler. So I usually let their fur grow out for the winter time. Whew. They so bad. I actually buy the groomer a coffee because she has to deal with them. Buster's not as bad. Buster's been with her since he was a puppy, and he fell in love with her, so you know, he thinks that's his girlfriend. He just loves Mandy. But that Mia, well, Buster did pee in the office in there. She excused that. And so when she went to go pick up Mia to let him outside because she had other dogs to take care of, how about Mia peed on the floor too, and she did number 2. I was like, oh my goodness. She was like, I got it. I'm like, whew, thank God for you. So I left them, which they're gonna probably be there for the majority of the day. It's a little, the sun is sunning today, and but we right now are on our way, y'all, to Lowe's. As you very well know, if you don't, welcome back to the channel. First of all, yeah, I know I said welcome back yesterday to our Circle Plus. For those of you who are new, my name is Debbie. I gotta get me another car holder because this is not working for me. My name is Debbie. I have a son who's on the spectrum, and his name is CB, and his name is Clinton. We call him CB for short. And I'm actually kind of in the process of not redoing it completely, but doing some things in his room where hopefully he'll like it. You know, he'll like it. So I started painting in there a while back and I didn't finish out, and I hate starting anything and not finishing it. So that's been bothering me. So that's where I'm on my way to now. We're on our way to Lowe's. So I got the name of the paint and the color. So all I need is a little paint. That's all I need to finish what I'm needing to do. And then I'm going to measure his window. All the windows in the house need new blinds. All of them. Oh, Lord Jesus. And so I'm going to get new blinds for his room as well. So I'm going to take one room at a time, and then once I'm done with his room, I'll move into Brandon's room, and then the living room, and so on and so forth. My room will be last. So anyway, I hope you guys are having a great Saturday, and I'll pick you guys back up when we get into Lowe's. I was supposed to take y'all into Lowe's. I didn't. And after I was leaving Lowe's, I was on my way to go pick up some food today. I got rear-ended, but I'm not hurt. My car isn't damaged that bad, but I want it fixed. It was the other driver's fault. Can you turn that water off? And I was at a yield sign, and she just forgot to stop. You know, she told me she was preoccupied with some things that was going on in her life. I ain't mad at her. I just want my car fixed. So, anywho, I went to go get some paint for CB, of course. And before I paint, I need to repair some holes in the walls that he has placed in there. And this is the thing to buy, y'all. If y'all have like holes in your walls, it has speckle, it has the little scooper, and then there's a little mesh thing in here that you put over the place that has a hole. Of course, I wouldn't put it over a huge hole. They're pretty. One's about that big, you'll see in just a minute, and the other one's about that big. So before I start painting, actually finish painting in there, I'm going to patch up the holes. So I'm going to show you what I'm getting ready to do. Okay, yeah, so I'm in CB's room. So what I did was, I already had a wall repair in another, I guess I bought it and forgot I had it, so I'm going to use it first. So, like I said, it's this mesh looking color or mesh filling kind of stuff. It's kind of feeling like it feels wiry. So what you do is you just take it and you peel the back side of it off because there's some adhesive on the back. And then you just, like so, and you stick it. Let me show you what I'm doing. You stick it over the hole that you're repairing, like so. Okay. There you go. Okay. And that's where this compound comes into handy. So you open this. So as you can see, it's sort of like putty. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over this part. Oh, come on, stick. Yeah, it's been in there for a while. Come on.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. All right, TV. Yeah. Let me finish this and I'll be right back. Well, it's much later in the day and I'm going to close out this video, but I wanted to show you what the two places, I actually did another one, the other place that I needed to plug in CB's room, what they look like. So I'm going to let them cure overnight, dry, completely dry, and then I'll be ready to wipe the walls down, the baseboards down, and then I'll be able to start painting. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait because I'm going to take measurements of his blinds in here. And I'm going to take down the old blinds and put up new ones. And then when I take down the old blinds, I can definitely have free range of the window, the inside of the window, so I can finish painting. So that's the original place. Like I said, guys, you can't even hardly see it. Doesn't even look like there was a hole there. Excuse the fan, but this is the other one. And what I'll do is I'll do like a texture with the brush when I get ready to paint it. And yeah, so for today, guys, so Hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you guys on Thursday. Thank you to all the new subscribers. We appreciate you. All the ones who have been rocking with us, we appreciate you as well. So, yeah. That's all you hear is fire trucks around here. It's really sad. So many fires and things catching a fire. Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful and blessed week. Until next week, bye.